Hey folks, here are Always Reviews. You're watching our video first look / review of the vehicle security system. This is a rear view camera that connects to the back of your car, of your truck, your automobile, and whenever you're in reverse, you can actually see what's happening in the back. So it comes equipped with a 5-inch TFT LCD display that comes also hooked up with a camera that actually is near 720p HD resolution, so a pretty good camera that you can see again what's happening, and it's a wide angle lens, so you can actually again see the surroundings as you're backing up, and what's going on in the back if it's difficult for you to see. The pricing on this thing is about $50, so pretty inexpensive for a kit, and you can find it on Amazon.com, and it arrives in about 3 to 5 days after you order it, which is pretty fast. Taking a look at some specifications on the front here, a pretty generic packaging. Again, there is availability for 2 video inputs. It only comes equipped with 1 camera, but you can actually install another camera if you want to have 2. And again, these are the video support NTSC and also PAL. And the power supply is DC 12 volts, 10% is the accuracy range, and you can actually just hook that up directly into your car's cigarette lighter. There's an operation temperature as well. And essentially that's it. A very generic packaging, not too much going on. Inside, we have access to a user manual printed in black and white monochrome, and it tells you how to hook up everything so that you can get things set up, the field of view, securing it to your actual 5-inch display, and how to connect it also to other monitors and DVD players, so you can use the screen to play back content and entertainment in addition to being the way for you to see using the camera that's installed here. In here we also have access to the connection wires for the video, and over here is the dashboard kind of design. You can actually make the 5-inch screen be mounted on your car's windshield if you want to put it in there on top, so it seems like a GPS solution, so it works pretty well. There's also another cable for the power. You can see you have to kind of hook that up yourself, so a bit of setup is needed here. It's not a plug-and-play solution, so to speak. You do need a bit more time to read the manual and get it set up. It's going to take about, I believe, 1 to 2 hours to fully get yourself comfortable with the adjustments and everything, so be sure you set up that amount of time. There's also another kind of dashboard stand for the actual camera module, and this goes on the back of your car. And we have access to the actual camera itself, which is well protected. It's made out of metal, so very nice in terms of construction quality. And you can see here that this is the camera at 720p HD resolution. Again, we would just put it into here if that's the orientation that we want to use. And after we have that set up, it basically sits up like so. We can change it by using the pivot hinge, and then set it up by extending the cord that's included in the box. So here's the cord extender. There's another power adapter for the camera module, the cord extender to make the entire thing more possible, and this is a more detailed installation manual with some guides and images for you to take a look at. And finally, we have access to some screws to fasten the entire thing into place, the camera, and this is the actual 5-inch TFT display system right here. So the actual display system that we have here, again, is 5 inches diagonally. It's protected by this screen protector on board, and there's a bit of a hood on the top which prevents some shadows from occurring when you have it on your windshield. It's going to prevent the sun from glaring onto the screen, which is a nice feature. A very simple design. It's crafted out of plastic, but it feels fairly well made in the hand. And the back again can be mounted directly using the windshield and windshield mount, and you can simply fasten that onto your windshield and have it set up. So pretty nice in terms of kind of design there. And on the side we have some access keys for you to toggle back and forth between different selection modes and video signals. So I can swap between the, for example, I can swap between the camera and also swap with a GPS signal device if I want to do that. I can also use it to play back DVD movies. So again, it depends on what you want to do. And over here, this is the video signal inputs. Again, you can put in both the camera and also a secondary input. Again, if you want to plug in a DVD player, I can now play back content using this display monitor. So it's a multifaceted monitor that works with a lot of different video signals.